What do you see above you, Watson?
Generally speaking, it's a pleasant night. Technically, the cloud cover is less. Astronomically, the stars are shining bright, and Venus is in perfect line with the pole star. Geographically, the moon's pull on the ocean waves is at its high, for the moon is turning full. And philosophically, it shows the eternity of universe and the transience of mankind. What do you infer, Holmes?
Practically speaking, dear Watson, our tent has gone missing. And it looks like our visitors have left us something.
Hello, Holmes and Watson. Apologies for crashing into your vacation. But there is something I want you to find for me. A treasure. In the southern lands of India, in the heart of rocks and the red sand, there lies a hill on top of another, forming the background for an edifice that nurtures the saplings for tomorrow. The watchman holds your next clue.
I would prefer stargazing to running after non-existent treasures.
Saplings of tomorrow? Obviously, it refers to young people, probably students.
Hill on top of another?
There's only one place like that. Impressive. Very clever. Our watchman happens to be right in front of us. Lying near a drain with an umbrella but no shelter from rain. Every now and then I entertain to forget a week full of pain. You like me to do it again and again and again.
Ah, that must be the umbrella.
An umbrella, but no shelter from rain. Brilliant, Watson, brilliant. You never cease to amaze me. Let's watch it again. Pause it. The clock there does not blend in.
A clock that doesn't tell time but asks for it.
If I ruin your shoe, what would you do, Watson?
I'll buy a new pair, but with your wallet.
Precisely. It's time to buy a new pair. Our next destination, the store. Let's begin the hunt. Watson! Watson, our next destination is the costumes. Let's go.
But how?
What do you observe common in the Zuzus?
All have eyes.
Watson, look beyond the ordinary. Look, Watson. The tie, goggles, the cap, and the cape. They are all costumes for the Zuzus. And look here. Call 512131 for Zuzu accessories. So let's go. But wait, Watson! Oh my God! What a fool I have been! There was one more thing common in the picture. Eyes? No, don't you realize? It was the Zuzu costume itself. The Zuzu head itself was an accessory. So here it is.
Next clue lies on a notice board.
Look for patterns, Watson. Our challenger is a genius. Look closely.
The man pays a bribe and speeds off. Where could he possibly go?
The riddle is filled with alloys. German silver, brass, wood metal, Britannia, solder, and Constantan. There is a definite symmetry regarding the components of these metals. The most common components are copper and tin.
And the only two alloys, bronze and bell metal, are made up of copper and tin.
Exactly. And look to your left. What do you see? Now, 10 feet from the bell, and we come to our next destination.
That was really refreshing.
Don't you think it was very thoughtful of our challenger? It's the second time I have seen him coming from the same place doing the same thing. It can't be a mere coincidence.
Something is fishy about this fatty. I'll go and check.
MusicCase.com.
I assume this is the reason, Watson. So, had you feel?
Yeah, the aroma was irresistible. And the taste, even better.
Apart from the aroma, did you find any hints?
Yeah, I think I'm looking for the dispensary.
Oh, very elegantly done, Watson, don't you think? Our challenger has definitely got some style. There's something stuck here.
Holmes? May I say it looks fine actually.
I beg to differ, Watson. You're gaping cluelessly at our next clue. But it's not complete. Search for the missing part.
Looks like we gotta stop here.
Hey, what's this?
This looks like some nonsense.
Wait, I think I got it. Each alphabet of the clue is symbolized in the shape by which it is enclosed in the matrix.
But each shape has two alphabets in it.
But only one of the two alphabets has a dot above it. And that leads us next to the sick ward.
PSM Bharat, Gautam, GRR. The clue must lie here. Not here.
We need to speed up, Watson. Hurry, Watson, we're running short of time.
And of our mythical treasure too. And this looks out of place. Wait. Holmes? I think I got it. Guess what it says? It says the end.
The end?
No, it's just the beginning.
Looks like a white goose chase, after all.
I told that in the beginning.
Then let's go back. The beginning. Where were we?
Gazing at the starlit night of the South American sky, thanks to the stolen tent.
No, Watson, I wouldn't go that far. I think our final hurdle lies at the gate.
Holmes, I'm tired.
Just one try, Watson. If you're lucky, we'll strike gold. Otherwise, we'll work out the same way as before.
Come on, Dad. But we already said here.
But my instincts say that we'll find our final answer here. Dear Holmes and Watson, you've been experiencing my treasure all along. Postscript. Watson, sorry for the kitchen accident. Sometimes you must have a taste of your own medicine.
So, what do you deduce about the challenger? This?
Elementary, my dear Watson. That's divinity.
Last question. What if you had found this being itself?
Watson, don't you realize we have been played all along? The script was already written.